Hey plant parents, my name is Paris and I am the resident plant expert here at the Sill. Today we're going to be sharing our tips and tricks on how to care for houseplants. Choose plants based on your light. To find the best plant for your space, it's better to determine first what directions your windows point. South-facing windows give you about full sun to bright light. West-facing windows and east-facing windows give you medium to bright light with a few hours of direct sunlight, whereas northern-facing windows give you about low to moderate indirect light with no levels of direct sun. Pick plants that work with your schedule and lifestyle. All plants have different needs. There are some that can be high maintenance while others can thrive off of some neglect. It's best to do the research on the plant that you'd like to make sure that you can keep up with its needs. Plants will also let you know when they are ready for water by displaying physical plant signs like wilting, drooping, curling of the leaves, all accompanied with dry soil. It's best to maintain a stable environment with temperatures ranging between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, and you also want to make sure you avoid any drafts from hitting the foliage of your plants from AC units, heating units, and even open windows or doors if the air is too cold. Understand fertilizer and best practices. Fertilizer isn't actually food for plants, but more of a nutrient boost for them in the growing season. The best time to fertilize your houseplants is during the growing season, which is early spring to early fall. This is when plants are actively growing and going to be using the most nutrients. Plants that are in lower light conditions should not be fertilized because their metabolic activity is slower, so they're actually not going to be using the nutrients that you're giving them if you do choose to fertilize. Same goes for plants that are freshly repotted. They already have those essential nutrients from the plant's soil. It'll be best to hold off on fertilizing any freshly potted plants for about 4 to 6 months. Don't be scared to repot. The reason why you need to repot your plants is because the roots need space to keep growing in order to store more energy, which will help to facilitate more growth at the top. Be mindful of curious pets and children. All plants have different toxicity ratings. Some can be highly toxic, mildly toxic, or even non-toxic. It's best to always do the research on the plant that you're getting to make sure that everyone in the home will be safe. Pick the perfect planter for you. Now there are two types of planters out there, one with a drainage hole and one without a drainage hole. We always like to recommend planters with a drainage hole for any beginners to help with any ease of stressing about overwatering. For both new and experienced plant parents, it's ideal to have reliable connections to a team of plant experts. Here at the Sill, we have a team of plant experts that you can trust and reach out to 24/7 using our contact form at thesill.com. If you're looking for a good plant shop to buy some new plants, check out the Yelp app or website to find the nearest plant shop near you. My name is Paris from the Sill. Thank you for watching and follow Yelp for more tips.